Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you top best Android Q features. First, let's see Android Q added system-wide dark theme. You can see dark theme option in your device. Tap on dark theme and you can see change in your app background notification. You can also change dark theme using display settings in your Android Q theme, dark or light. In other settings, you can see go to settings, apps and notifications. Here you can see automatic notification prioritizers, smart actions and replies. In advanced, you can swipe actions. Here you can see two options: swipe left to dismiss or right to show menu, and swipe right to dismiss. You can also see bubble notification on your device. In privacy settings, you can see permission manager app using location, and you can individually select allow or disallow particular app to permission access your device in your device. In security, digital well-being, here you can use screen time, dashboard, wind down features to set app timer in your Android Q beta. You can see the different type of navigation gestures in Android Q beta. Under system navigation, fully gesture navigation, 2-button navigation, 3-button fully gesture navigation. You can see horizontal line on your device. In 2-button navigation, you can see back button and a pill icon. In 3-button navigation, you can see first Google Pixel device setting, back, home and recent app button in your device. You can also change permission, allow or disallow particular app related using the location, app permission. Here you can tap any app. Here you can choose allow all the time, allow only while using app any you want to use in your device. So individually set app location permission in your device. There are several new features on your Android Q devices. Bye. One of my favorite feature is enable dark theme in your device and navigation bar system settings in your device. So you can use Android Q beta and improve battery life because of dark mode in your device, and also improve privacy section in your device. Here you can see permission manager, set individual permission for particular contact, location, microphone in your device. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helpful to find the top best Android Q features for your Pixel and other Android devices. Please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.